Hello, everyone. My name is Camila, and today we're going to do 3 rounds of Breath of Fire. Breath of Fire is a rhythmic breathing technique that uses short, forceful exhalations through the nose and passive, natural inhales. This style of forced exhalation can help to reduce stress, to boost brain function, and to improve respiratory health. It's also said to strengthen the abdominal muscles, get a little workout, and to improve digestion. I do want to note that breath of fire is not recommended if you're pregnant or you have uncontrolled high blood pressure or maybe some respiratory condition. So always listen to your body and stop if you feel unwell. So let's get started. Make sure you're sitting tall, shoulders relaxed. To really feel this exercise, you can place one hand on your belly and one on your chest. And breath work works like this. You exhale sharply by pulling your navel in toward your spine, but then you just inhale naturally through the nose. You really focus on the exhale. Basically, the belly is doing the work more than your nose. And we're going to do this 3 rounds, and they're each 30 seconds. And in between, we have some time to just do more mindful breathing. So, the best way to learn this practice is by practicing it. So, let's get started. Great. First round done. Now we're going to do some mindful breathing where you just breathe in and out, in and out for a few seconds. Just feel your breaths naturally. All right, let's start that second round. Great. Second round done. You can always do faster also if you'd like. This is the pace that I enjoy most and I really find it beneficial. But you can go faster or slower. You know your body best. So enjoy this natural breath of in and out, in and out. Feel how your breath has changed after doing this breath of fire. And in 15 seconds, we're going to do the last round. All right, take a deep breath in. All right, and that's the last round. Feel the breath now in and out, in and out. I think you should feel more in tune with your body. Now we've done the 3 sessions, but you can stay here and just practice more mindful breathing. It's always a great practice to connect with your body, to readjust your breathing. And I'm going to close this session, but you can continue breathing. And I want to thank you for giving yourself the gift of breath work today, the breath of fire to energize your body. And thank you for inviting peace into your life and sharing it with others.